What's up everyone, welcome back to the Coral Reef Talk. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and watching all the videos. The support that you guys have for this channel is great. Now, this video marks the end of 2018, but before 2019 gets here, I just want to take a look back at this past year on what made 2018 awesome. Okay, where to begin? Well, before we look at some of the videos and products of 2018, I just want to say that the main thing that made 2018 awesome was that my son Jacob was born. Yes, look at those little chunky cheeks right there. Now, I also want to show you the 210-gallon reef and the aquarium in a jar, give you a little bit of an update. So here's some video clips of how they're doing. So there's a quick little update of how the tanks are doing. Now the fish are doing great and some of the corals are doing better than others, but as you know, I am still in a little uphill battle with the tank at the moment. But as for 2018 goes, we started the year with video coverage of Reefapalooza in Orlando, and there was so much to see, so many products to check out, so many vendors to stop by, so many people to meet and talk to. I made my way around the showroom floor looking for great companies and products to share with you guys, and I found a few. And there was one product that I thought was very interesting, but it didn't make it in any of the final cuts of the videos for Reefapalooza. So I thought I'd drop the clip in now so you can see it. This is a device that can test all the parameters in your tank. Pretty much anything you need to test for, it can do it. So let's take a look at that clip.
So let's see here, you have, let's say, sulfur alkalinity. You go to it, you see for each drop which color you got, till the turn off. It's 11 dkh. You can view chart here, zoom in, zoom out. You can test now, of course, or you can go to test, add a test. It's for scheduled testing. Like every Monday, do this at 2 o'clock, repeat hourly, daily, whatever you like. Weekly, monthly, whatever you put. So that's it mainly. You can put the chemical position in any order and just assign it. Tube 1 this, tube 2 this, and it's working on already available reagent brands in the market like Sulfur, API, Niles, Elos, Giesman, Red Sea, okay. Tropic Marine.
Oh, wow. So you can put your favorite test in
you
there.
You can put your favorite test. So the most important is to be liquid, not powder. That's it. Yeah. Just change the syringe like every 50 tests. Okay. That's it.
Oh, wow.
It will last for about 1 month or 2 months.
Okay.
So that's it.
Now I also took a look at a lot of great products in 2018, and 3 of them stand out in my mind. The first one being the Reef Safe hand soap. I thought this was a great product. If you do need to stick your hands in your tank, you can wash up with this soap, perfectly reef safe, and then you can get to work in your tank however you need to. Now the next product that I really liked is the DIY fish food from Dr. Tim's. You can mix up any of the ingredients by Dr. Tim's, make your own custom fish food, put it in the trays, put it in the freezer, and you're good to go. So your own custom fish food, I think is brilliant, and I use it and it's awesome. So if you didn't get a chance to check out the video or any of the videos that I'm talking about in this video, then the links will be in the description below, and I'll link to them at the end. Now, the last product that I thought stood out from 2018, certainly not the least on the list, but Cobalt Aquatics Emergency Air Pump. This thing is great. It's been keeping the aquarium in a jar going and supporting the life in that tank, and it's just great. I mean, you can unplug it and it'll last 24 hours on its own. With the emergency battery pack, it can last up to 72 hours, so it's a great emergency air pump. If something goes wrong in your tank, then you use the air stone and you pop it right in. It can keep your life support in your tank going until you get power back in a power outage situation or something like that. So I think this product is great. Overall, 2018 was a great year, full of stuff to take a look at, full of products to test, full of ups and downs with the Reef Tank. And if you have any ups and downs of your own, please feel free to share them in the comments below. So that leaves us with 2019. So what is the Coral Reef Talk going to look like in 2019? I plan on going to a lot more events, interviewing a lot more vendors, looking at different products, finding out what is hot and what's not in 2019, and bringing you the latest information on all that. So if you want to keep up to date with what I'm doing here on the Coral Reef Talk, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already. Let your friends know, share the channel, join the Coral Reef Talk family, and I look forward to making 2019 one of the greatest years for the Coral Reef Talk. Thank you guys so much. So that's it for 2018. I'll see you in 2019. Remember, if you're not a part of the Coral Reef Talk already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And while you're down there, click the notification icon to be notified every single time I make a new video. And I look forward to seeing what happens in 2019. And I'll see you next time on the Coral Reef Talk.